So this is going to be a new portrait. I will try my best to not ruin this one. So okay, so I doesn't have this portrait as well. Okay, so this time I will try my best to do this work in proper time. So I'm starting. Okay, so now right now I'm not going for hairs that much. I will just do the face first. Thing is, what I think the tough part is about mixing colors and all, and nothing else. The tough part is how to mix color fast. Skin tone have a lot of values and all, and so I guess that is making me really nervous. So right now I'm just going to fill everything with this color, and then I will go for highlights and all. These are A4 sheets, so I cannot apply linseed or turpentine in this oil. So I guess I just messed up big time, but still it is fun. Okay, it's 2 minutes have passed, but right now I'm going good time. I think it is good time right now because I'm just going for my second tones and all. So I am going quite well for the last one. And the thing is, having no reference, you know, going yourself as a, using my brain in this kind of situation is not a good choice. Okay, so the highlights are here. Okay, it's 5 minutes have gone. So maybe this will be going to do. I'm going to do pretty well in this. Yeah, you know the thing that I'm pretty scared about is throwing wrong highlights and all, because I have not that much of education about how to do a portrait by my own self. So yes, I'm scared over here a little bit, throwing wrong highlights and all. So I'm just throwing colors like know where to throw colors, but honestly, I have no idea where I'm throwing colors and why I'm throwing colors like that. But I guess it is going quite right now. And now the thing is about highlights and all. So hee hee hee. I really don't know why I used the entire black color over here, but I guess I'm dumb. So yes, I just found out a new thing about myself, that I'm dumb also. So it is going to be last 2 minutes are left. Maybe two, maybe half 1 minute. Sorry. Relax, relax, relax. Please relax. I'm not going to relax now. I'm just scared. Yes, I guess it is looking quite good. Maybe, maybe. Okay, you will tell me. Okay, how it is looking, and I guess. Okay, I have taken a little bit extra time, like I guess 30 seconds extra, but it's looking quite good. Like it is okay, okay.